Mwalimu nyambani kutoka kitengo cha utamaduni wetu na Catholic National Organization, which has brought all these groups together for a purpose as stakeholders in our county. Kitu ambacho ningependa kuzungumzia leo ni kwamba our youths have become an endangered species because wako nyumbani hawana kitu wanafanya, and it's like the society and the community is not guiding them to the right direction. Sasa tunaomba tu like stakeholders that these bodies that are coming together under the church and under different auspices.
Brenda, one of the youths from Kisii County. I want to give a big thank you to the organizers for this event, for bringing the youths together to discuss the issues that are affecting us. I would like to encourage the youth in our county to come out and participate in a civic education. Most of the time we have a civic participation outside here, but our youths are not coming to attend. This is one of the forums where we'll go and get information on what are some of the plans the county has for us. And it's also a forum where we can be able to air out the issues that are affecting the youth. So I want to really encourage my fellow youths from the county at large to come out and actively participate in these forums. Because minus participation, it is very difficult for the county government to capture our issues and look for possible ways to address them. And to the county government, we are crying out here as youths because of a number of challenges we are facing. One of the challenges being unemployment. Yes, as youths, we have taken the initiative to go to school and acquire the right skills, the right knowledge, the right attitudes needed in various professions.
Way of taming and teaching and empowering the minds of our youth, because education they have, education is there. What they don't have is innovations and recreating so that we achieve. Kila mtu anataka pesa, hata hawa wanataka pesa. In fact, we are shocked that so many of our youths are still staying with us in the houses at the age of 35. Instead mtu kuwa independent, bado anakula kwa mama yake. Alafu hata wameanza kuimba na wanaanza kusanaa juu ya hiyo. And it is not very nice. Such a record is playing and you are eating from your mother's house. If it inasumbua. So we are saying, let's look for ways and alternatives to enable our youths to be empowered economically.
I've taken a step higher to achieving higher education. Some of us have gone for masters. Some of us have a PhD. But we are languishing outside here, we don't have jobs. The county government has given us TVETs. So I'm also encouraging those youths who have not gone to those levels to also intervene in the TVET centers to also acquire something. But still, with the education that we have, we are not able to secure jobs. Kindly, the county government, on behalf of the youth that we are having, we have a lapse. So I'm crying out to the county government, please bring back the industries that we had. Coca-Cola was here, and that is an industry that can accommodate to 300 or 400 employees. Yeah. We have the banana factory. If it's brought up, it can take up to 100 or so. So kindly, the Juakali sector is here. Most of the youths can get those skills. And these are some of the opportunities that can absorb most of the youths outside here our languishing. We have seen so many youths have gone to the border sector. So it's already flooded. Those who are there cannot even fend for their families because the borders are so many. But the people who are supposed to use them are very few. So at the end of the day, we cannot fend for those families. One of the reasons why insecurity cases are going up. So kindly, our county government, come out and look specifically to the youth issues. Because sisi kama vijana tunaumia. na nyinyi kama serikali hamwezi tushika mkono, basi tutakuwa na upungufu. In the near future, the challenges of the youth are going to be enormous. Unless the county government comes in to assist us, then